going on, everybody? We're doing a little bit of gardening over here. That's a topic for a different time. But what I wanted to talk to you guys today about specifically is finish grade. The importance of finish grade, what that term even means, and then how we implement that when we build new houses. So follow me around to the back. I'll show you what we're talking about. All right, so welcome to the back here. Once again, guys, what we're talking about today is finish grade. So what that term means is the slope of earth from the foundation wall of the house out. And in Fairfax County, what they require for finish grade is 6 inches over 10 feet, meaning that the earth here at the foundation of your house has to be 6 inches higher than 10 feet out if you measure 10 feet out. So imagine that slope kind of running like this. Now that's a very important thing to consider on any project. Even if it's your own house and you look around your own house, you want to make sure that that slope is going in all directions away from the foundation. What that does is it makes sure that you don't have any sitting water next to the house. It allows water to flow clear and away. And it also means that you don't have water retention up next to the house, which leads to bigger issues like foundation problems. Water in the crawl space leads to mildew and mold. So any type of those scenarios, you want to make sure you have that nice slope. Now the other thing to consider when you're creating this slope is that it needs to be nice backfill dirt is what we call it, or fill dirt. And what that means is that you're not using like bricks and debris and stuff to create the grade, because all that does is slow down the trickle of water. Gravel, bricks, that type of debris will actually retain some moisture. So you want to use nice fresh dirt, not like topsoil, but it's called backfill dirt, normal earth. And you bring that down and away, and then if you want to treat that, then you treat it on top of the slope. So let's say you wanted to do gravel or a flower bed or something next to the house, you still want to make sure that the slope is created with earth, and then you do your mulch flower bed, you do your gravel or your rock feature on top of that. So again, that's what we're talking about here today. As you can see on this lot, we actually had to backfill a lot in order to get that grade, and that we used over 3 dump trucks full of dirt and able to level it out and get the slope going away from the house. But again, that's just what we're doing to make sure that all of our houses are nice and comfortable for everybody, that we don't have any water issues. This house that's on a crawl space, we don't want any mold or mildew either. So anyways, thanks for checking this video out. Once again, we're going to show you a little bit more of this project. It is sold, but this is 7115 Alger. And you know, we're doing at DC First, we're doing all types of different projects. You've seen the pop top, now you've seen this gorgeous 4,000 square foot house. So we have a lot of houses in the works right now. Anything, any style, we build just about everything. So if you're interested in seeing more, once again, comment below. If you have comments, questions, concerns, you want to say what's up, we're here to help you guys out and answer your questions. So thanks again for tuning in. I'll check you next time. Peace.